As you see guys, that Bitcoin daily candle here, it finished. Today Bitcoin gave us here a pin bar in daily. That very good news here. After we touch the 50 moving average here in daily. Also we tell you all those things. We show you here that mega fall like that. We touch the lower of it here. That very good news. That indicating the bulls, they're still powerful. Let's see now if the Bitcoin going to come back and to break for us. That last high here. That possible guys. But for me here in daily, also we still in a downtrend. There is nothing changed. You're going to tell me also we are in an uptrend, a lot of things, but no, my friend. A lot of things here telling us maybe you're going to fall down. By the way, guys, before I continue, I want that video to reach to 100 likes. And know you can do it, so please, my friend, if you haven't smashed that like button, go now, smash the like button, write down a comment, tell me your thought about Bitcoin, what are you thinking? You done it? Thank you very much. And you, if you are not a subscriber, make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn bell notification on to receive all our latest updates and videos. Or you can even join our VIP Discord where we give a long-term swing trading and day trading signals. Also, we still have the short in Bitcoin, short in the Doge. Let me show it to you. Here it is, guys. We still have a short in Bitcoin, as you said, 40%, a short in the Doge, 121%, and look the order size. We take enough profit from it, and that one is a small order. We are going to leave it to run. If it's going to dump more, fair enough, it's free money. If it's going to reverse, we're going to close it and we're going to open a long. That's what us we're doing. We don't care where is that market going to go. So if you want to make money like that, my friend, no bias, no fabs, no lies. When we lose, we share it. When we make money, we share it. If you are interested, of course, the link of our Patreon is down in the description of that video and in the first comment. Click at it, you're going to land here in Patreon. By the way, guys, if you don't have debit card, you don't have Apple Pay or something like that, you can join our Telegram. You're going to get the same signals like in Discord. The only things in Telegram, you pay by crypto. So if you don't got a debit card or something, you can pay via Binance, via Bybit, via any exchange. Even that one, the link of it is down in the description of that video. Let's go back here. For Patreon, if you haven't seen the member option, you see that one here, see member option here. You click at it like that. It's going to open for you that one. If you see that VIP cryptocurrency, click at it. If you don't, guys, join by that one here because that one here is it without VAT or without tax. If you don't see it, click at just that one here, join, then finish payment process inside Patreon. There is a video going to show you all the steps. Still, you're going to be in our VIP Discord. If you're facing any problem, you can text me here and I'm going to solve your problem no matter what is it. You done it? Welcome to the family. So guys, here in daily, the Bitcoin, it showed to us those was like that. It's bouncing from here, from the lower of that megaphone, as we show you before, that one here. Not very good news. Now let's see if the Bitcoin from here going to reverse. That possible, guys. Second scenario, just being stop losses here, and maybe it's going to break it, guys. Even that one, it's possible. So what we need to do, we go into lower time frames and we try to catch an entry because now also we got like that. Look with me here, that low here and that high here. Bitcoin now need to break one of them. If we break in here, that means that 127k till 160k, we're going to reach to it this cycle. If it's not, guys, and we couldn't break that 111k, and when we came here and you don't see any volume, try to short it, guys, because that's the only truth I can't tell you. We got something else here in Bitcoin in daily. Let me show it to you, which is that one here, guys. You see that volume profile zone here, we bounced from it today. That very good news, guys, because last time we bounced from it like that. Look at it here, we bounced from it here, we bounced from it here, and now we bounce from it here. We got the 50 moving average, but the bad news here, guys, because we need to show you both of them. We bounced from the 50 moving average, but we couldn't break the 20 moving average here. Look at it, guys. Last time from here we dumped, so if we couldn't break that 20 moving average, maybe we're going to test that 50 moving average again, and that's going to be very bad for Bitcoin, guys. That's the only things I can't tell you here, because if you're looking at the 20 moving average, it looks like it want to break the 50 moving average, so we need to be careful which direction we're going to break, above, more, long. If we're breaking the 50, we're going back to 95k, guys. I think I explained everything. We got something else here in Bitcoin. Let me show it to you. Last Friday, guys, we show you that two zones here, and we told you all the week the Bitcoin, it will not break no one of them. You see it in Saturday, but is it when the Friday candle close? Look at it, guys. We said 113k and 100k. Did the Bitcoin close between them? 100%, guys. Now we need to make even for that week. So let's go into that page where we're getting those levels together, guys. So let's go in there. Here we are, guys. As you see, The coming week is going to be 20 of month 6, 2025. That means the coming Friday is going to end up in 20 of month 6. Now we try to find in those levels. We start by pots, then we go into calls. All is doing that together. By the way, that one for Bitcoin options. All is doing that together. Here we are, guys. We found the first level here, 97k. That a big level, guys, or a huge level. The number of pots here, 2.40k Bitcoin. The number of calls, 0. The total volume here, $252 million. That the first level, guys, 97k. Now let's find it for calls. Here we are, guys. We found the level here for calls. We found 115k. The number of pots, 0. The number of calls, 1.05k. The total volume here, $110 million. We got even that level where we are, 113k. The only things, the volume is not high there. So that means the Bitcoin, it will not break even 113k, guys. But that's the level also we found here, 115k. Now let's go into the charts. We joined that two levels. We said low 97k, the top 115k. So let's go in there to draw it together. Here we are, guys. We said like that, 115k like that, and down. That one here, we said like that, 97k like that, guys. So those was the range for Bitcoin that week. I told you we got even here that 113k. It's meant the view of those people, Bitcoin maybe is going to fall down a little bit, guys. So let's wait and see what's going to happen. But the overlook here, Bitcoin is going to spend another sideways week. That way also we stop day trading those days, guys, because the market it's look like we are sideways and we are not going to go to nowhere all that month. So if you want to make money, want to swing trade those days, there is no day trading, guys. Unless if you want to make scalping, that's another story. Also, we don't give in scalping signals. If you want to make money as swing trader, you can join us. So that one for Bitcoin option, guys, those was the levels you need to focus at them, 115k and 97k. So those was the levels. Now let's go into see the Bitcoin is doing today in 12 hours. So let's go in there. Here we are in Bitcoin in 12 hours, guys. The Bitcoin here, it bounced from the 100 moving average like last time here. The only thing now also we are here in the 20 and the 50 moving average. So we need to be careful. If it's going to break like how it happened here, that's meant to go more higher than possible. Second scenario from here going to dump. Even that one is possible. Levels, we got same thing. Nothing was changed. We got here that zone here exactly at 105k. We got that zone here where is the 200 moving average at 93k, and we got that one down here at 84k, guys. So those was the levels as you see them. Not the first 105, that one here 93, and that one here down 84k. Levels, we need to look at them based on my prediction. Let me show it to you. Levels staying the same, guys. That level here, we touched it yesterday. That one here, 102, 603. We touched it, then we bounced. We got that level here, that one, 106, 990. And we got that one above here, 111, 959. So those ones, the three levels, you need to look at them for today, guys. I think I explained everything. Now let's go into see the Bitcoin is doing today in 4 hours. So let's go in there. Here we are in Bitcoin in 4 hours, guys. Here in Bitcoin in 4 hours, nothing new. We still have here that two zones here. Those ones here. Bitcoin is playing between them. As you see it, guys, we still playing above, down, above, down. We need to break one of them down here. That's more short above here, more long, and the Bitcoin can give us new all-time high. We still have here now like that, like an up trend. You can make it like that, guys, like an up channel like that. You touch the lower of it here, maybe the Bitcoin from here going to go to touch the top of that channel like that, guys. That man here, even that one, it's possible the top of that channel is going to be at 112k till 113k. There is no volume, guys, so you need to be careful about those things what I'm showing you here. We got something else here in Bitcoin. Let me show it to you, which is that one here, guys. That one is very, very important here. The Bitcoin came back till down here, touch that 50, but look, guys, we came back, we touch here the 200 moving average. The 100 moving average here, it crossing below the 200 moving average, guys. So base here on 4 hours, things it's look very bad, guys. Let me show you something very important here. Look, guys, here you see when the 100 moving average cross below the 200 moving average here, what happened, guys? You see it or no? Now we're doing the same thing, guys. So you need to be careful, guys. There is a dump coming. We don't know till where. No one exactly know the bottom of that dump. So you need to be careful, my friend. But sometimes it crossed and it bounced above that. Even that one is possible, guys, exactly when we are sideways like now here. I think I explained everything. Now let's see our indicator. We're saying today here in Bitcoin. Based on our indicator, guys, he touched that wall here. Now what the view? Me personally, I'm still waiting until it will touch here extreme oversold area. Now for short, because I know a lot of you, they are going to come to ask me for short how we can catch it. Me personally, I enter from here, I'm still holding my short, but you, if you miss in the entry, it's breaking down here, you can catch a short because based on our indicator down here, also now we are all in a zone where is the bears, the control, and there is no bulls, guys. I think I explained everything here. Now let's go into see Bitcoin we're doing today in 30 minutes for scalping and day trading. So let's go in there. Here we are in 30 minutes, guys. Here in 30 minutes, in yesterday video, we do it like that. And we came here and we show you like that. It was in the top 9 of the video. And we told you we are coming back to touch the top here. Yes or no? You can go back and see it. It was actually in the top 9 of the video. We touch it now. Now there is one of two, guys. From here, we're going to fall down again to touch the lower of that down channel. Another thing we got here, like that, guys, like a bearish flag here in 30 minutes. You see it here. At man, if the Bitcoin breaking here, we're going to see it Bitcoin falling down more than that. Not possible for long now. That one here, same downtrend here. You wait it. If it's getting broke here, try to catch along, my friend. If you want exactly when us we enter and where we put in stop loss, take profit. You want to make money, my friend. That's very, very, very important. You want to make money with professional people. That's the job of them. You can join us. We give you an option to pay with debit card, Apple Pay, or to pay via cryptocurrency in Telegram. It's up to you. Now let's see our indicator what it's saying today. Our indicator, guys, as you see, it's enter here to a zone where is the bulls, the controlling. That's my same thing like here. Let's see now what's going to happen. We got here that uptrend here. If it's getting broke here, we're looking at it here in the chart. We need to wait it even here to be broke for us to catch a short, guys. So I think I explained everything here. Now let's go into see the Ethereum we're doing today in 4 hours, guys. So let's go in there. Here we are in the Ethereum, guys. Here the Ethereum it touched for us the lower of that up channel here. You remember it also we show it to you. Now what the view, we need to wait it. If it's getting broke here, that means the Ethereum going to the home 100%. There is no doubt in that. If it doesn't and showing to us maybe like here a double top here, maybe even the one we are going to come back again to touch the top of that up channel here. So everything's still possible, guys. Now we show you for long that meant to come back above here. For short, if it give you here a double bottom header shoulder, any price action indicating the market is going to reverse, you can try to catch it from here. We got something else here in the Ethereum. Let me show it to you in daily, guys. Here we are, guys. Based on that candle we closed today here in daily, is it a bullish candle? We got a big tail from down, but everything is possible, guys, because it's my down here to give us here a bullish flag like that. Not possible. You see it. I just showed it to you that up channel I just showed you in 4 hours. It might be Ethereum to come back to break here and to pump more higher. That's possible. But bad news for Ethereum, there is no boost to keep it above the 200 moving average. Now let's see if it's going to test again and to pump. That's possible. Second scenario, maybe from here going to dump again because the zone or level where we are is a very stronger level or zone here in the Ethereum. Now let's see our indicator what it's saying today here in the Ethereum. Our indicator, guys, we show you that bearish divergence here. We showed it to you before. Now what is it the view? We enter here to a zone where is the bears, the controlling. Now let's see if is it going to dump again, till it touching for us extreme oversold area or no. That's the view, guys. So I think I explained everything. Now let's going to see the Sol or Solana we're doing today in 4 hours. So let's go in there. Here we are in the Sol, guys. In the Sol, now here we got a down channel, guys. You see that one here is a down channel, very clear. We haven't touched the lower of it here. That telling us maybe the Sol going to dump to touch the lower of that down channel here, but we don't need to forget that one here. You see that zone where we are is very stronger zone, guys. Look how many times we touch it and we bounce from it. And retail traders, they're looking at those zones very stronger. So you're going to find a lot of people buying from those levels. So you need to be careful. But the Sol from here going to pump possible, guys, because now you can make it like that, like a triangle here, like that. You see that one here is a triangle, guys, and you need to wait it. If it's breaking here, maybe it's going to go more higher. If it's breaking lower here, maybe it's going to dump. But also we're not going to wait it till here. If it gives us here a smaller price action here, we're going to catch it till the top of that wage here. That's what us we're doing every time. We got something else here in the Sol in daily. Let me show it to you. The Sol here in daily, guys, you see it here. What it doing here? It bounced from that 100 moving average here. Plus we got here, look at it, guys. You see that volume profile here. If you came and you extend it here, same like that 100 moving average here. That way it given us here, that pin bar here in the 100 moving average or that hammer here. Now what should we do in the sol here? That way me I told you that zone here is a very stronger zone. If we break in that 100 moving average, we show you even that big head and shoulder here, that one here, you see it guys, in daily that one. But if we break in that 100 moving average, the sol is going to dump like that guys. Let me tell you exactly the target of it. It's going to dump to that low here, $112 guys. That low here, exactly that one. You see it? That tail of that candle here. If that happens guys, if we break in that 100 moving average, but if we break in above, maybe the sol is going to go back above, but we need to focus about that zone here. I think I explained everything about the sol. Now let's see our indicator we're saying today here in the sol. Our indicator guys, same thing. You remember the divergence uptrend as we show you before here, that one from that one and that one and that one. Now we came back with this that. Let's see if the sol from here going to pump guys, because that's the divergence trend here. Let's see if the sol from here going to pump again to touch for us extreme overbought area, and also we show you how to catch it. Well, I think I explained everything. Now let's see the XRP or Ripple we're doing today in 4 hours guys. Sol is going there. Here we are in the XRP guys, same thing, nothing new here. A very stronger zone here. You got here a big head and shoulder here. That one here guys, look at it, that's a head and shoulder here. You see it like that, that's a big head and shoulder here. If it's breaking for you down here, that man, the XRP going to that very hard, that possible. Second scenario is it that one here, look at it. You came to that low here, and those ones above here, you got here a triangle. So maybe the XRP from here going to come back to touch for us that one here, that first scenario. Second scenario maybe it's going to break above here, and we're going to go more higher. We got something else here in the XRP in daily guys, let me show it to you. That's what we got guys in the XRP. XRP actually it look very bad guys in daily. Look at it here, very bad. The only thing is now we're still holding the low or the neckline of that head and shoulder as we just show you that one here. So you need to be careful guys. If it's going to break the neckline here, it's going to dump very hard, so we need to wait till the right time. Now let's see our indicator we're saying today here in the XRP. Our indicator guys hasn't touched extreme oversold area, so we need to wait. That man is going to dump more. Not possible guys. Second scenario, look at that zone here in our indicator guys. You see it last time from here we bounce, you see it here in the chart. Second time same thing here, and now we are in it. So I will not get surprised if I saw the XRP bounce again to touch for us the top of the downtrend here. Even that one it's possible guys. So I think I explained everything to you. I covered cryptocurrency from all the sides. So if you like our content and you are satisfied, make sure to smash that like button and write down a comment if it's possible my friend. And you can even share that video in any social media platform you like. You done it? Thank you very much my friends. See you in another video guys. Bye for now.